Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework, which is important to understand to use AWS services cost effectively. We will talk about the different pillars of AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework. Let's get started. AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework helps you establish a baseline level of understanding about cloud cost management. In other words, it helps you build long-term, self-sustaining, cost-aware culture. As a result, you will be able to make cloud spend more predictable and plan for business expense efficiently. Like any other framework, AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework is established on a set of pillars. The AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework defines the following pillars: measurement and accountability, cost optimization, planning and forecasting, and cloud financial operations. Let's elaborate each of these pillars of AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework. Measurement and accountability. Measurement and accountability pillar establishes cost transparency and accountability through the necessary steps to ensure visibility into spend. Cost optimization. Businesses optimize their costs by identifying waste, building cloud-friendly architectures that scale based on demand, and improving cost efficiency. The cost optimization pillar emphasizes these features to be understood by the users of AWS Cloud. Planning and forecasting. By gaining better understanding of costs with current and future IT needs, companies can drive more accurate financial and business planning. Cloud financial operations. Businesses can support cloud financial management by identifying and investing in people, processes, tools, and automation. In conclusion, to use AWS Cloud cost-effectively, understanding of the pillars of AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework plays an important role. AWS emphasizes that each customer has clear understanding of the cost involved in using AWS services. That's all for the AWS Cloud Financial Management Framework. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.